Hey everybody, how are you today? Alright, just want to do a little video update of a little project that I just finished. This is the WLToys 12402A four-wheel drive off-road truck, I guess. I really liked the way it ran. I tried it on 2S, the way it came, and ran great. I tried it on 3S, and right at the end of the run, the ESC just started to smoke and the motor was getting really hot. So I was thinking to myself, what am I going to do with this one here? Because I wanted to get a bit more power. Bigger wheels were out of the question because they're already big. So I was kind of thinking, okay, the only way I can do it is with a brushless conversion. So that's what I did. So basically what I've done is quite simple actually. It was a bit complicated, but I got it done. I've installed a 4300 kV 3650 size motor. I'll show you here. I used a WLToys 19 tooth nylon pinion, which is the same one as the older 12402. This is the A model, and this is the one that belongs to the 12402. And it's the same pinion, so it's a 19 tooth, and the shaft is 3.175 millimeters. So that one fit inside of here, no problem. Just installed a 40 amp brushless ESC I had from another RC car. I've installed a 3S lipo in place of the factory battery in this battery box, which is, as you can see, it's all sealed up. And on the bottom of it, there's two latches here that will just open up and you can get to the battery. I've installed these 1/10 scale blue anodized chocks, front and rear. And I've installed right over here a 9 kilogram digital servo. Because this one does have a bit of weight, so I needed something with a bit of torque. So I decided to get a high torque unit. And yeah, I guess that's it. The drivetrain is very robust. The drive shaft itself is approximately, it's almost 5 millimeters thick. And the spur gear is nylon. Is it nylon? Yeah, I believe it's no, sorry, I think it's metal. The spur gear is metal. The motor pinion is obviously nylon. So anyways, I got two of them just in case this one strips. I did try this one on 3S, and I think the best way to describe it would be it's almost violent, because it's got so much power because of the 4300 kV motor that's in there now. But I can always tone it down to 2S, but the power is just insane, and it did wheelies earlier on the stock 550, but this one here is just insane. It's a lot more powerful now, and I really enjoy the way it runs now. This is the transmitter that I use, just a standard transmitter that I got from one of my RTR brushless vehicles that's no longer around, so I just use the same one. And yeah, this ESC, it's a brushless combo, so it's a receiver slash ESC, so it's a bit less wiring for me to do, and I had it lying around, so I figured why not use it, right? And it's just less things that I got to put around. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I won't say it, like I said, it's the simplest conversion I've done. It was the trickiest because the way the motor mount, it's this big plate here, and it also envelopes the drive shaft, so it's a bit complicated. But I mean, with a bit of doing, I got it done, and I'm glad I did, because like I said, it runs really well now. But yeah, that's about it. So if you have any questions about this RC or any of the other RCs in my fleet, please by all means send me a message, and yeah, and I'll answer any questions that you may have. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm really gonna enjoy it now. I enjoyed it before, like I said earlier, but I'm really gonna enjoy running it now. Obviously because of the extra power that it has. All right, guys, just want to give you, like I said, a little video update, and I'll be doing another video on another project that I'm working on as well. All right, take care. Ciao.